All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am back. It's been a second, but I am here with another wig video for you guys. This unit is from Julia Hair, and this is their rich brown highlight water wave lace front wig. I will put all the details in the description box, so make sure you guys check that. But I believe this is 22 or 24 inches, one of those. But let's go ahead and jump into what I'm doing right now. It's been a minute since I have done my hair, you guys. It has been in cornrows. I feel like the entire month of August it was, so I was not about to take them out. So we're just slapping a wig on it. So I just threw a little bit of powder on my wig cap to try and match my skin tone. And then next I'm just gonna apply my wig like normal using my hard head hairspray. Ain't nothing changed. Been doing the same routine for about 2 years now. Should I switch it up? No, because I love this hairspray. I love this method. It has never failed me, no matter how hot it has been or what I have been doing. I will probably continue to keep using this hairspray. Just so you guys know, I don't use any kind of glue because I do remove my wigs nightly. So this just works for me. So you guys saw me pointing to my sideburns. I just wanted to show you that this wig did not really, it was off just a smidge. I was hoping that it would fit perfectly, but it didn't. But I'm wearing my hair in the middle part. It's gonna cover it right up. It all works out. This is not the first time this has happened to me. It's more like the 100th time. So we know what we're doing. It's all good, not a big deal. So here I am just cleaning up all the excess, hairspray with a little bit of alcohol. And this is how the hair is looking. I did wash it, and I didn't have time to let it air dry, you guys, but I hate when the scalp part is super wet. So that's all I did right there, was just blow dry as close to the scalp as possible. And now I'm just going in and I'm gonna lay some of my edges, my adolescent hair, because that is what I did this go around. Y'all, I actually did not notice that they were so freaking long. I was like, oh my gosh, but I tried my best to cut it in the end. You guys will see how it turns out. I always just, you can always correct your hairline or your edges in the end, so it's not a big deal. This does look a little excessive right here. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, but again, I always say go longer, and then you can always cut them, a little bit shorter. Don't just go in and cut them super short, because you can cut hair off. You can take away hair, you cannot add it on. You know what I mean? So this unit is pretty standard, you guys. It's a basic unit. The hair color makes this unit, but I will say you should put a little bit of work into it. And by work, I really just mean plucking the unit. I think it would have looked so much better had it been plucked. I just did not have the time, but it still looked good. I'm still gonna do my best to make it look good. But if you can, go ahead and pluck a little bit of the hairline. And I also feel like whenever I get this color, I love this color, by the way. I think the highlights, the brown, the different kinds of browns. Whenever I do units this kind of color, I feel like they never come in HD lace and I don't know why. I don't know why, because this would be absolutely even more amazing with an HD lace, a thinner lace as well. So that's just something for Julia Hair to just think about. But the hair was still beautiful, and I showed you guys the amount of hair that came out. So let me talk about the hair again. Oh, of course, that's what I'm doing. But the hair itself, you guys, was really full, and it was actually really soft, and I did not get a lot of shedding. That's a major plus. Whenever it comes to any colored wigs, I always feel like I get a lot of shedding that comes out, just probably because of the coloring process. But this one, with the amount of hair that it is, it did pretty good. I was impressed. All right, so after we hit the roots with my hot comb, I'm just gonna go in with my spray bottle and my mousse. You guys, you can find this mousse. It's really good. and it's super cheap. It's like $2.99, so $3 at the beauty supply store. You get a really good sized bottle as well. But I am really liking this particular mousse because it holds really well, but it doesn't make the hair hard. Just, you know, just putting it out there. So I'm just gonna spray my hair, you guys. Not like super drenching wet, just kind of lightly spray it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a big old glob of my mousse and work it through the hair. I wanted to show you guys, I actually prefer to show you guys the hair once it's been washed and all that great stuff, because you can really see the curl, and you can really see how it's going to come out. I know sometimes I'll just jump on here and I won't co-wash, or I won't wash my units beforehand if I'm, you know, off to go do something, or I just don't have time. But this one, I really wanted you guys to see the entire wig from like start to finish, from washing it to when it actually has product in it and it's dry. I love the slight wave on here. It's not super curly, it's not super wavy. It's just a really nice wave. So after I finish adding a little bit of powder to the lace where I need it to be, I'm just gonna go ahead and lift up my hairline. This is when I said that you can always go back and fix your baby hair. You can cut them a little bit more if you want to. At this point, they're just going the direction that I wanted them to go. And so from here, I'm just gonna take a little bit of my hairspray, and I'm gonna use a combination of just the hairspray and the back of my hot comb, and I'm still lifting a few of those hairs so they're not super thick into my, just brushing it back basically, and then just using my hot comb to just let it stay in place and giving me a little lift in the front. And then next, I'm just gonna cut just a few pieces right in the front, just to kind of frame my face. And that's really it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is definitely a really fun look. It's definitely on trend as well, especially for fall. So if you're loving that like brownish hair, the brown trend right now, the ginger hair, this is going to be a really great addition to add to your stash, just to switch it up, you know, on occasion. Again, I love doing these kind of colors because they're fun. They're not too crazy. They're definitely wearable colors, wearable styles. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. Everything you need will be down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.